So I had to come on here and give y'all some free game because the way people are overlooking Ace and Chelley is insane to me. I support black businesses, so before I go into exposing their relationship, I support black businesses and I support Ace and Chelley. But real is real. So here we go. It's insane how people are overlooking how Ace is moving the same way Shelly is moving, and Shelly is moving the same way Ace is moving. So things that people are overlooking when it comes to the both of them. First of all, Ace has been observant since day one. He has been analyzing everyone in the house. He's been peeping each person, each couple, and he's been able to get in the heads of all of the men. All of the men follow him. And he has created alliances with Taylor and Nick. But that was all done intentionally. But some chess moves have been recently made and ain't nobody talking about it. So first off, everyone keeps saying Jeremiah and Huda, he broke them up because he was jealous. He was not jealous. He was concerned of how strong their connection was and how that was a threat when it came to Ace and Shelly. So he had to break them up because that was the biggest threat. Before they coupled up, he knew that that was a threat because they were coupled up day one. And he didn't couple up with Shelly right away because they knew each other outside of this whole Love Island reality show. So he couldn't couple up with her right away. The both of them knew not to couple up with each other right away because it would have been too suspicious. And then everyone keeps talking about how Ace is jealous of Jeremiah, but everyone is overlooking the fact that Shelly strung along Austin and she emotionally manipulated that man on several occasions. Like anytime that Austin felt unsure about their connection, she would give him that reassurance and just give him a little bit of a breadcrumb for him to hang on to, knowing that she had no intentions of choosing that man. She just kept stringing him along. And then not only that, anytime Ace would choose another woman over Shelly, he knew that Shelly was safe because of Austin. Do you see the connection there? Another thing, Ace broke down the strong connection between Sierra and Nick. Adriana, he pushed for Nick to date her or to talk to her or to be open to her because he knew it was going to break down the connection with Sierra. Did you not see how Sierra broke down, was crying, she was avoiding it, she shut him out? That was all intentional. Then everyone wants to overlook the influence that Shelly has with the girls. Shelly has the influence with the girls, which was how Hannah was voted off the show, because Pepe and Hannah was a big threat to Shelly and Ace. How are y'all overlooking this? And listen, I support black businesses, so at the end of the day, I'm here for all of this. But why are y'all overlooking that? And then the reason why Jeremiah got voted off the show wasn't because Ace is truly jealous of Jeremiah. I thought that at first. It's not because of that. It's because he's a lover boy. He's very lustful. And he easily makes connections with women because he's a kind person. He's a very kind person. And so what woman wouldn't fall for that? And so that was his biggest threat. And that was their biggest threat. Ace and Shelly's biggest threat. Hannah's gone. Jeremiah's gone. And they both influenced that. Not only that, if y'all just look at the conversations that Shelly has and Ace have, you can see the game. If you cannot see the game, I'ma pray for you. But I see the game clear as day. Like, it's so clear. And I just found out about the rumors about them, and I'm like, you know what? That makes a lot of sense because that's what I was getting from the both of them. The way Shelly emotionally manipulated Austin, why are the girls overlooking that? She strung that man along for the longest. And a lot of women made that assumption that the reason why she was doing it was because of Ace wasn't choosing her. But Ace wasn't choosing her on purpose because he didn't want to look too suspicious. But then when they coupled up, he kept trying to make it entertaining, like make their relationship entertaining and make it engaging so that people would vote for them on the show to stay. Ace is not a dummy. and neither is Shelly. And like I said, I support black businesses. Another thing too, so Ace was successful with breaking down Nick and Sierra, and now that they're separated, oof, Sierra is going to feel the need to put herself out there, which is going to break down their connection even more. Nick is over there probably going to be loyal with the guys. He's probably going to be loyal when it comes to Sierra. But how Sierra left Nick that last day, Sierra is probably going to really weigh out her options, which means that Ace, was successful with breaking down that connection and exposing things that made Sierra very insecure when it comes to her relationship. She does not feel secure with Nick because of how he was acting. And if you notice, Ace always pushes for the guys to be open, to be open, to be open. But Ace is closed. How do y'all not see that? Ace is closed the hell off. He is closed the hell off. Every time he gets with a girl, Amaya, like day one, he stood up there and said all of those kind words about Amaya, but it really sounded like he was talking about Shelly. And then he chose Amaya, and then as soon as he got with her, he was like, don't call me babe. Don't call me babe. Don't call me babe. Then when he got with Vanna, right? I think that's her name. I think I'm saying her name right. But the newest bombshell, the blonde-haired girl that's 21 that looked 30. When he got with her and then he did his green screen interview, he was like, bring back my Shelly. The signs are there, y'all. Like, I don't know what else to tell you, but the signs are there. And I'm rooting for the both of them because I support black businesses. And then how much you want to bet Taylor is going to pursue this connection with Coco because Ace is going to influence him to. Ace is going to push him to. How much you want to bet, and then that's going to break the connection with Olandria and Taylor, just like that. So he's going to push Taylor to pursue that with Coco, and that's going to break down Olandria and Taylor, just like that. So listen, and tonight I think their relationship is really going to be exposed to me, especially when it comes to Shelly and this 6'8" guy that she's linked up with, that she's partnered with. The way she acts with him is going to tell me everything that I need to know. Everything that I need to know about if Ace and Shelly are really doing this together, and they are all scheming. This is all a scheme that Ty set up, and it is called Ace and Shelly. And I am here for this.